Hey hair friend, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am April Sunny, and on this channel we love all things beauty, but let's be honest, if your hair is not done, nothing else will matter. So in today's video, we are installing, styling, and reviewing this Donmily V-part body wave wig. So if that is something you are interested in, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share if you care, and let's get started. But first, I'd like to thank Donmily for sponsoring today's video. Now, of course, we're starting with an unboxing. So the goodies are a Velcro headband, some lashes, a pink bonnet, makeup brush, a light skin wig cap, a headband, and also adjustable straps to fit your wig better. As for the hair, it is a V-part body wave wig with a breathable cap in a natural color. They say black, but I think it's brown. It does have 150% density. The hair is super lightweight, and I'm having little to no shedding at all, which I love. The hair is full and soft, and I received mine in 20 inches. Underneath, you have your two clips at the top of each side of the V part, one there at the bottom of the V part, and then you have your two slide-in combs that go on either side. In the back, you have your adjustable straps as well as the comb in the back to secure the wig. Looking at this hair, all I could think of was effortless beach waves, something you would wear to a beach party. So I pulled out my graphite titanium curling iron, and I'm gonna just throw in some effortless beachy waves. But to do so, I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair so I can work in the back, use some BioSilk, and spray a little bit of Got to Be Glued spray. And then I'm gonna take the hair in sliced sections, wrap it around the curling iron flat, leaving the end portion out because that portion we're going to have to straighten. And then leave it on for a couple seconds. Once it's ready to come out, I will unwrap the hair instead of just releasing it, and then pull down on the end portion to pull that wave out, because you want that to be straight, which helps give that effortless beachy look. Once you've completed that technique, it should look something like this, and the ends should look kind of straight like this, and then we're ready to install. I do want to make mention, each time I finished a curl, I left it as is. I didn't rake my fingers through it or anything. I just let it sit and cool off. As you can see, this wig is super beginner friendly. All you have to do is just clip in your clips at the top and slide the combs on the side near your ear. Slide that in to further secure the wig. As for my leave out, I'm going to spray it with some Tresemme heat protectant, and then I'm going to split it in half and straighten my hair. Now, I do want to let you guys know, the night before, I shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair, and of course applied my leave-in conditioners. I would normally blow dry my leave out, but I didn't do that this time. I literally just let my hair air dry, and that's why it looks the way it does. Using my curling iron on 330, I'm going to go ahead and straighten my leave out. And towards the ends of my hair, just bump it in the direction of the extensions. That way it will fall seamlessly into the hair. After that, I'm going to use 1 pump of the Kenya Moore Growth Serum. And that's pretty much it as far as installing this hair. As you saw for yourself, it's super quick and easy, and you get the look of a sew-in without having to sit in someone's chair for 2 to 3 hours to sew the hair in. This hair is super lightweight. It is 150% density, but it's so lightweight, it doesn't feel like you have a ton of hair on your head that's unmanageable. With that being said, if you are the type of person that likes long hair in the summertime, this hair is perfect for the summertime because it's so lightweight and fluffy. It's not going to irritate your neck, and you're not going to feel like you need to put it up while you're dancing on the floor, girl. Okay, so after having worked with this hair, I can comfortably say that this hair is super soft and manageable. I had 0 tangles. It is the perfect density. I love the fit of the cap because the cap fit very snug to my head without any discomfort. The hair itself is really, really good quality, and I had little to no shedding. So I really have enjoyed working with this hair. If you have an interest in this hair, I do recommend you go over to the website and check them out. All of the links will be in the description box down below. As you can see, they are super affordable and they have a wide range of hair to choose from. If you have any questions, they do have a frequently asked questions section. They give you a description on the hair. Also, they have really great fast shipping, and one thing I really like is their return policy. So for any reason, if the hair starts shedding or tangling, or you realize you don't want it or need it anymore, they have a 30-day return policy. So if for any reason you had your eye on Donmily and wanted to know about their hair, I'm here to tell you the unit I received was fast, it's manageable, it's soft, it's beautiful, and they have so much information on their website. So definitely check them out. Again, all of the links are in the description box below. I hope this has helped someone, and until the next time, be loved. Bother me,